Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by folding the visor down and supporting the headliner with a towel. This prevents sag. Once ready, pry the plastic end cap gently with a flat screwdriver to expose the screw and spring. You will see a small retaining clip or screw. Remove it carefully while holding the visor so it doesn't drop. Take a photo now. This helps when reinstalling. Make sure to keep screws and clips together. They're easy to lose inside the pillar gap. Once the cap is off, you'll either unscrew a short screw or depress a metal tab to free the visor arm. You must support the visor with one hand and use a trim tool with the other to pry the old plastic clips straight out of the housing. Once removed, inspect the mounting groove and clean any debris so the new clip seats flush. Compare the new clip to the old. If orientation differs, rotate before insertion to prevent binding later. You install the replacement by aligning the clip with the slot and pressing until you hear a firm click. Make sure it sits flush with the housing. Then reattach the visor arm, replacing the screw or engaging the metal tab, and snap the end cap back on. Once done, test rotation, pivot, and the clip's grip on the sun visor. If it's loose, remove and reseat the clip or tighten the screw. If it still fails, try a new OEM-style clip because fit matters for.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.